before that video starts, we're almost at 200 subscribers. We're at about 180, which is awesome. And at 200, we're gonna go ahead and do that Amazon gift card giveaway. It's gonna be a free 50 bucks to one of you. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share the video so we can get it out there. Enjoy the video, because I think it's a really good one. Yo, what's up, you guys? We're back for another day. Today, we started it out like this. I got up, I went to AutoZone. Why did I go to AutoZone? Got some paint, because I forgot to put these on when I painted the car. We're gonna go ahead and paint these black today. Right now, I'm letting my car cool down, because what's next, essentially the main part of this video, the headers are going back on the car. Finally, I can't wait for it because, first of all, Subie rumble. That's so much better than just a regular, you know, 4-cylinder type of sound. It's not bad, but I'm pretty sure that one would sound better if it was an aftermarket equal length header, but it's not. This is the Tomei unequal length uncatted header. We've already put this in before, but we're gonna put it in again because we already got it registered and we gotta worry about it no more. I'm gonna be using the Grimspeed ones. These are a lot cheaper and they actually feel a lot more heavier and solid. I feel like these are gonna do way better job than this like OEM one. Yes, quality, but like these are quality as well. I mean, Grimspeed, it's a good, that's a good brand, man. And they're thicker too, so this is definitely gonna help. Since Apollo is cooling down right now, we're gonna go ahead and start painting these black. I was able to get the little piston things off, the 86 logo right here. This is the only one that I'm actually gonna be retaining. This is the only logo that I like on the car. The other ones are gonna be probably switched to like 86 badges or something, or the Toyota badges, because even though it's a Scion, it's a Toyota / Subaru, so like, why would I keep the Scion ones in there? We're about done with painting them. We're gonna go ahead and let them dry out and everything because we're gonna go ahead and put the clear coat on them. They need to sit for about 30-ish minutes. So in that time, we're gonna go ahead and get the car jacked up because I'm pretty sure it's pretty cool now. We're gonna go ahead and get that done while we let this dry, and then we'll come back to finish off with the clear coat. Crap, pulled my hair. Oh, made me lose a little bit. One thing that's really annoying about the jack that I have, it takes forever to jack up this car because this car like is low, then I have to go to the side, and also this jack doesn't go up very high. I need to get a new one, but I still have it. I don't know why. I might as well just start the install with this part because I already have the car up, and then that still needs some time to dry. I guess we're gonna be doing the install right now, and then we're gonna finish that off in a little bit. Scared the crap out of me. Always unplug those O2 sensors first, boys, because if you rip those out, you're done. I do have another video that actually shows you exactly how to do it. This isn't gonna be like a detailed install. Go ahead and watch my other video. Just click on the top right or down in the description. I have them both places. Yeah, and then if you really wanna know how to do a unequal length header install, you can go ahead and find out there. Let's keep going. Hair's all over the place. I know I need a haircut. I'm gonna get a bigger ratchet. This one doesn't have enough torque. Or am I strong enough, I guess. Time to get, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. I don't know what that was. Oh, I keep hitting it. I just gotta paint it. Watch the paint job me. Oh. I know you're OEM. You're meant to live forever though. I'm gonna need you again. Woo. I really need a hair tie and a haircut. She's out. Putting my hat back on for this part. I'm not under the car. So you gotta take these O2 sensors out. A 7/8 actually works, which I couldn't find like the 22 or 21, whatever it was that I used last time, but that's okay. These shouldn't be too stuck because I had just put this in like maybe at most 3 weeks to a month ago. All right, baby. Trim speed again. Okay, they're kind of being annoying. This one even. So annoying. 7/8. Don't fail me now. That should be fine. Time to go back in. I just opened these and man, these are so much thicker. Where's the OEM ones? I have OEM ones. I realize OEM ones are crushed, right? Whatever. But they're not very much thicker than this at all. If you could see that. But if you look at the thickness difference, oh my God. This one has like way more layers. This one's like 2 layers. This one's like 4, 5, 6 maybe layers. This is crazy. This is definitely higher quality in my opinion. It looks higher quality. It feels higher quality. It's definitely like heavier and girthier. These are good and they're cheaper too. I think I went to the OEM Subaru and got these for like 60 bucks or something, 40, 60 bucks. These are 20 bucks for 2 of them. It's not okay to be charging that much for a piece of, metal when aftermarkets are selling better looking quality stuff for cheaper. Crazy. Time to install it on the car. Oh, it hurts so bad. You need a partner with this. She's in, baby. I just gotta tighten all the bolts down. Thank you for rolling back to me. I wish I had a lift, but you can't put a lift in your front yard. If you did, that could be sick. We finished the headers, good to go. The camera kind of died when it happened, so I couldn't get the rest of it, but it's okay. Literally all I was doing was bolting everything back in. Now we're on the fender garnishes, and we're getting clear coat on them right now. These things are gonna sit for about 24 hours, and then I'm gonna go ahead and slap them on the car. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just let them sit for about 24 hours or so. Not too bad, not amazing though. These right here were literally Post-it notes. I couldn't find masking tape and I put them in between and they worked pretty damn well, which is pretty sick. Those headers are done. We can go ahead and get a cold start. After that, I'll see you as soon as we put on those. I hate that E85 cold start delete. It's horrible. I like the tune, but when they updated it to be nicer to your neighbors. The unequal length headers are loud when the cold starts, but that's the fun of it. Sad face. So we got the fender garnishes on. There they are. The car is still hella dirty. I mean, if you could see that down there, it's hella dirty. But other than that, I mean, the car looks, oh, yeah, about that. My tire popped. Waiting for the new wheels to come in to replace the right two. Then I'll be able to put the tires on. Pretty much gonna be it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys that right before the video ended. Car's finally starting to look just a little bit better for the road. Just those little small finishing touches. Next one, we're gonna be putting on those wheels and tires and stuff like that. It's gonna be a good video. I already have most of it filmed. We're just waiting on our wheels to come in now. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.